Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add samples in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can see all the instruments that you can play. You can get started with the audio recorder and so on, and this is how to get started. So let's go ahead and see how to add samples that we want to use for our music. The first option guys that we have is right here at the beginning of the page. At the top part of the screen next to the tracks we have the live loops section. So you want to go ahead and enter in live loops, where you can find all the loops that have already been created by Apple that you can use in GarageBand. As you can see, we have the EDM option, we have the rock, electro-funk, whatever you might want to choose that works the best for you. You can go and see how it works, open it up and see how to add it. So after clicking on those loops, if you are not satisfied, what you can do is add your own sample that you have already on your mobile phone. So guys, if you have a sample that you have on your iPhone, this is how to add. Basically, go ahead and open up any of the instruments or the audio recorder and open up the edit menu right here in the upper left corner. So after opening up the edit menu guys, as you can see, this is now going to enable us to see our edit menu where we can find all our tracks we have, and in the upper right corner is a button that is now going to enable us to add a sample. So as you can see here, we have the Apple loops where we can find the samples that we want to add, or you can go into file, and under files you'll see an option that says browse items from the files app. So once opening up the browse items option, as you can see, we can find all the mp3 files that we have right here, and you can go and select any of them to get started. As you can see, click on it and drag them and drop them right here into your mixing studio to get started with adding your samples. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.